If you are eager to uncover the secrets of perfect headings and subheadings count in SEO content writing, let's dive in and explore how to get it just right. Hello everyone, welcome back to MacBlogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from MacBlogs. In this lecture, we will dive into the crucial topic of checking the perfect headings and subheadings count in SEO content writing. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete MacBlogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Before we delve into the methods, let's understand why it's essential to check the headings and subheadings count in your SEO content. Proper headings and subheadings enhance the organization of your content, making it easier for readers to navigate. The right heading structure can improve your content search engine ranking by making it more accessible to search engine bots. Well-structured headings and subheadings enhance the user experience, keeping readers engaged. Previously, we discussed the significance of headings and subheadings and how to effectively write them. Now, we will delve into the essential aspect of checking whether your content has the right number of headings and subheadings, ensuring they are neither too few nor too many. There are two effective ways to ensure you have the perfect headings and subheading count in your SEO content. First, you can manually review and structure your content. Second, you can utilize various online tools to analyze and optimize your headings for SEO. Now let's explore the manual method of checking headings and subheadings count. Before you start writing, plan your content structure. Outline the main section and subsections. Identify your target keywords. These will help you determine the number of headings and subheadings needed to cover different aspects of your topic. Decide on the hierarchy of your headings. Use H1 for the main title, H2 for major sections and H3 to H6 for subsections as needed. Write your content while incorporating the headings and subheadings based on your plan. After writing, review your content. Ensure that the headings and subheadings are relevant, concise, and provide a clear structure. Now let's explore the tools that can assist you in checking the headings and subheadings count. Rank Math Content AI. If you are using Rank Math's SEO plugin, you have access to the Content AI tool. Content AI provides suggestions for optimizing your headings and subheadings. As you can see on the screen, it analyzes your focus keyword and suggests the ideal number of headings and subheadings for SEO performance. By incorporating these suggestions into your content, you can further enhance its quality and SEO effectiveness. Remember, refining your content based on these insights can make a significant difference in its impact and reach. Apart from Rank Math, there are various free and paid online tools available that can analyze your content structure. These tools can provide insights into the readability, heading distribution, and overall SEO optimization of your content. In conclusion, we can say that checking the perfect headings and subheadings count in SEO content writing is crucial for better organization, SEO optimization, and an improved user experience. You can do this manually by planning your content structure or utilize tools like Rank Math, Content AI to streamline the process. Experiment with these methods to find what works best for your content writing process. Remember that a well-structured content with the right headings and subheadings can significantly enhance your SEO performance. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 46, where we explored how to check the perfect headings and subheadings count in SEO content writing. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.